So this chicken laid all these eggs.
Pretend not yet.
Okay.
Whoa, he laid a Peppa Pig egg.
He did?
No, an M&M egg.
Whoa.
Now a Darth Vader egg.
Whoa.
Now a Troll egg.
Whoa.
Now a Spiderman egg.
Oh, wow. Let's see what is in all these eggs.
Peppa.
Peppa first.
Yeah.
All right, let's open up the Peppa Pig egg.
It's a Peppa Pig egg.
Maybe it's a pig. Maybe it's a baby pig in this Peppa Pig egg. What do you think, Connor? Here, let's move these eggs out of this way
I
so we
see
can
Peppa
see.
and George.
You think there's a Pepper and George in there? Whoa, look, that's nice. It's got a Peppa Pig on the outside. You know what would be fun?
What?
Is we could put Play-Doh on there and you'd see it dented in. Whoa, it's full of candy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Peppa Pig.
And some Peppa Pig stickers.
Oh,
Nice.
now it's open up.
That's what's in the Peppa Pig egg. So we
Now it's
got
open up.
some candy bracelets and some candies and some lemon heads
I do
and
not
some
like
stickers. You don't like lemon heads?
them. Yeah.
All right. Who do you want to open up next?
Spiderman.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man's Ryan's favorite.
Then the M&M.
All right. Let's see.
Then the M&M.
Then the M&M.
I think there's gonna be M&Ms inside, right?
All right. Let's see. Oh, see, it's got a nice Spider-Man on the outside of that one too.
I see Spider-Man inside.
All right, open it up. See what's inside. Whoa! More candies. Oh, some more bracelets and some chewy lemon heads and some little Spider-Man heads. A keychain. Wow, that's some good stuff. And of course, some Spider-Man stickers. All right.
M&M.
Oh, M&M. You think M&M's gonna be different than what's in the other ones?
Yeah.
I bet so. What do you think's gonna be inside?
An M&M.
An M&M?
M&Ms.
M&M's. All right. Wow.
I thought it would be right.
You think you're right?
Yeah. It's an M&M.
Whoa, M&M's! You were right. It's a nice egg, though. We can use these eggs again for hiding stuff. Surprises. Nice. All right. We got Darth Vader.
And of course, Poppy next. She's the only one.
Yeah?
Yeah, left. Right?
Yep.
Candies. Or,
Think it's going to be more candies?
yeah.
All right, let's see what we got. Holy cow. I'm excited. Darth Vader. It could be something really bad inside because it's Darth Vader. Ooh, let's get a nice little Vader on. You can open it up? There. Oh! Oh! Darth Vader head candies.
Yeah.
Ooh, little lightsabers. That's kind of neat.
Stickers.
And some stickers, some Star Wars stickers.
Let's open the Poppy one because it's the only one.
What do you think is going to be inside the troll egg?
Troll.
You think there'll be candy?
Troll candy.
Maybe some stickers?
Sticker too.
Maybe some more lemon heads?
Look at
Maybe some bracelets?
bracelets.
Kind of the same thing that was in all the rest of them?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up. Oh.
I think it's
Whoa.
Bergens.
Whoa, this one's taped shut on top of it. This one's harder than the rest to get open. Yeah, we got, hold on. There we go. We got some troll heads. And some lemon heads. And some bracelets. And keychain. And stickers.
All the stickers.
That's a lot of candies.
Yeah. We're probably not going to eat them all today.
No, definitely not going to eat them all today. That's too much candy.
Yeah.
Rot your teeth.